Hey, what's up everybody? It's your boy Quentin hitting you with another video of how you can make money online. So basically today I'm going to be talking about 5 profitable freelancing jobs that you can do in Zimbabwe. So stay tuned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe. Go. The first one is internet marketing or internet advertising. This is whereby you create a set of tools of creating or delivering promotional videos or messages to clients worldwide so that you can create more sales for the people. It is also known as social media management. This is whereby you create adverts, banners, promotional videos, and website content, whereby you are going to convince our clients of why the product that you are selling and why they should buy it. For you to become a good social media manager, you're supposed to be good at content creation, campaign strategies, promotional videos, and follow-ups to the clients actually that click your link. How do you get clients? First of all, you're supposed to approach potential businesses or create online directories, as well as creating content and going on a platform like Facebook and looking for clients that are actually willing to give you a task for you to save them. Yes. You can also go on Fiverr, on Instagram, as well as their blogs or websites, so that you can communicate with them if they want any social media management. The second one is becoming a nightclub. The second one is to become a nightclub promoter. This is whereby it usually requires someone who have a huge following, maybe on Instagram, Facebook, or within your society, and the owner of the club, they are going to hire you to create more sales by inviting more people to that club. Sometimes you can use your following as a way of getting more clients, or you can invite other celebrities to come, and the main idea is to create more attendance to those nightclubs. For you to get more people, you are supposed to create an identity for the club and for yourself. Also, you are supposed to create promotional events every month. You are also supposed to invite celebrities that are going to draw more attention to that place. And you're supposed to be innovative within your club, maybe offer food, offer a good VIP, and maybe celebrate greetings within the nightclub. These are some of the ways that you are going to create more traffic or more people within the club. And also, you're supposed to be friendly to those people. The third way that you can earn profitable money as a freelancer is to become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is someone that works as an administrator or do administrative tasks within certain companies from a remote area. These remote tasks that may include creating appointments, data entry, typing, and other administrative work or arrangements that you can do. Usually, for you to be a good administrator or an virtual assistant, some of the requirements is skills in word processing, that is typing, using Excel, and using other packages within Microsoft. Also, the other thing that is required is good communication skills, managing emails and accounts. So basically, this is what is required when you want to become a good virtual assistant. Then the fourth thing that you can do as a freelancer is to become a content creator or an article writer. This is whereby you are supposed to write articles for companies, for blogs, for websites, or for artists, or any other ways that you can create good content writing. For you to become a good content writer, or for people to hire you to write articles for them, you're supposed to have a good portfolio in person as well as online. You're supposed to build good audience. You're supposed to be featured in blogs. You're supposed to be you're supposed to have good reference within the social media platform, and to have good references from other companies, or you can use other sites like Fiverr, like Upwork, iWriters, Pro Bloggers to look for jobs from there, and maybe also good at writing business profiles. These are some of the ways that you can earn some extra money as a freelancer by writing articles. Um, but then, if you're having challenges of finding clients, maybe from face to face, or approaching potential clients, you can use this website that I've mentioned, like Fiverr, Upwork, and iWriter, actually to advertise the skills that you have. So the fifth way that you can make profitable money from being a freelancer here in Zimbabwe or in other country is to become an online course teacher. An online course teacher, this way, by you create a certain portfolio of lessons pertaining to any niche that you have interest in or that you are good at. You can become a teacher of teaching people music, guitar, or piano, or you can teach people accounting, architect, software development, being a programmer, or any other skills that you have. So what you're supposed to do, you can create videos that you be explaining the niche that you're going to be teaching. You can create a PDF and any other online ebooks that you can create. Then after you do that, you create a portfolio for those lessons from the beginner to an expert. Then you can teach on different sites that are there online. Some of the sites include Share Skill, then there's Udemy, there's EDX, then there is LinkedIn platform that is also there for teaching people online. Then there is Masterclass. So these are some type of the website that you can use to teach people. For example, on Udemy, some of the course they charge maybe about $22 to around $50 per month for subscription of lessons. So imagine if you have maybe 15 or 30 people every month that you'll be teaching, you'll be making some good money from it. So this is the fifth way that you can make some passive income, or you can make some extra money online as a freelancer. So the total rundown of the 5 profitable freelancing jobs that you can do in Zimbabwe. First, I talked about internet marketing or internet advertising. Then I talked about becoming a nightclub promoter, whereby you'll be promoting nightclubs, creating more attendees within those nightclubs. Then I also talked about virtual assistant, whereby you'll be doing administrative jobs within the company, or sectorial jobs that you'll be doing in the company. That includes typing, data capturing, as well as creating appointments and managing emails. Then I also talked about writing or article writing, whereby you'll be writing blogs, posts, books, ebooks, and any other sort of writing skills that you have. And you have supposed to keep on creating more skills within your writing portfolio, so that you can get more clients, and you can visit sites like Upwork and other content writing platforms that are there online. Then the fifth one is becoming an online course teacher, whereby you'll be teaching different type of skills to people. Then they'll be paying you a certain fee per lesson or per month within those portfolio. And the good thing about becoming an online course teacher is you only create your content once, then it becomes passive income as long as people sign up and they are willing actually to take your classes. Then that means you are going to create passive income. That means even if you don't post any other lessons for the whole year, the whole package that you've created may keep on creating passive income for upcoming years or months that you'll be having those courses online. So these are the top 5 profitable freelancing jobs that I have in mind. So please, if you want to see me keep on posting more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment so that you can see upcoming videos that I'll be posting in the future. Until then, cheers.